Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you all about what to embroider for the fall and winter seasons. Stay tuned. So in today's video I'm going to do more of an informal video, a chit-chat style video like we would be talking like we were friends, because I consider you guys my friends. Thank you so much for all your sweet comments. And if you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the little notification bell to be notified every time I post a video, because you're not going to want to miss out. So fall is upon us. Pumpkin spice everything is everywhere. And there is no denying we are less than 100 days until Christmas. We are going into the holidays full speed ahead. So what exactly could you embroider for fall? In one of my videos back in July, we talked about how to prepare for the holidays back in July. So you should have already done your football, your back to school, your backpacks, and probably like a few pumpkin shirts back then. So a big thing right now could be fall applique shirts, whether it's shirts for kids to wear to the pumpkin patch, Halloween applique shirts, Thanksgiving applique shirts, just general fall applique shirts, fall birthday shirts. But there's so much more you can do besides just shirts. You can do sweatshirts like this one. This is a Gildan unisex sweatshirt with a monogram at the chest pocket or the chest area. You could do, I've seen a lot of people have success with the Apex embroidery pumpkin topper that goes on top of the monogram. I'll link it here, a picture of it. So cute, and I'll link it in the description below. That is a big seller during the fall, as well as any type of monogram topper, whether it's Christmas or a turkey or that sort of thing. To jazz up a monogram is always great. Wholesale Boutique offers some Halloween trick-or-treat bags that you can personalize. So they have like character ones as well as just general like Halloween colored ones. So cute. So you have Halloween, you could do your trick-or-treat bags, Halloween shirts. Then we have Thanksgiving, and I'll put a picture right here of a company that I have just been loving lately. They are doing adult applique shirts, and it is gorgeous. So don't just limit applique to children's shirts, as you can see in this picture, and I'll link their website below so you can check them out as well. And so you have all things fall, and then we have just general cold weather apparel. You could personalize scarves, the blanket scarves, the shawls, like the plaid shawls. Wholesale Boutique offers those. I will link a link to that below. Sorry, I'm looking at my list. There's so many things. So sweatshirts, of course. For kids, there's ARB Blanks, sells the cutest bubble sweatshirts, and then they have sweatshirts for little boys as well. I'll link a picture of those right here. As well as Love That Cotton has quarter zip pullovers for the family. I'll link a picture here. They are so adorable. As well as Love That Cotton ARB Blanks have some amazing blanks for fall, whether it be fall colored outfits. Love That Cotton has a lot of like specialty, corduroy, John, that sort of thing. Fall pajamas. There are Halloween pajamas. They have Thanksgiving pajamas. So we did scarves. You could do the quilted vest with the monogram. You could do boots. I've seen a lot of people do the boots or the duck boots or the snow boots with a monogram. Those are super popular. And then there are beanies. You can monogram beanies, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to monogram or personalize beanies, because I know this material, sweater material, can be tricky and it can be intimidating. So I've got a tutorial coming up on that. So I will say a little tip: don't let the holidays sneak up on you. It is mid to end September right now. You should really be thinking about getting your Christmas stuff listed now, like by October, because people are going to be wanting to buy even earlier this season, I think, because of course we are in a pandemic. So people are going to be wanting to buy. Speaking of pandemic, masks. If you're not selling masks, don't worry about it. But if you are, make sure you're switching your fabric up. Offer Halloween fabric, Thanksgiving fabric, fall colors, Christmas fabric, Christmas colors. So Wholesale Boutique came out with a whole line of masks with like a buffalo check one, a leopard, some great like colors for fall, as well as some other great just plain colors. They even have ones that are able to be personalized. So if you're selling them, just change it up for fall to meet your customers' needs. Okay, so moving on to Christmas. Don't let the holidays sneak up on you. Please, please, please. If you're going to be selling this holiday season, make sure you get your items listed soon, like October soon, like maybe even before October soon, like now. There are so many things you can embroider for Christmas, whether it's Christmas pajamas. Let me show you. This was one of my favorites. The design is from Embroidery Boutique, I think. It's one of my favorites. These are from ARB Blank. ARB Blanks has great Christmas pajamas. Blank's Boutique. Love that cotton is where I got my butt flap Christmas pajamas that were a huge hit last season. There's a new blank company I saw called Sugar Bee Blanks, and I'll link all of these below. All have amazing Christmas pajamas. People are going to look to make this Christmas super special for their families. So I feel like the personalized items are going to be a big hit this holiday season. So make sure your stuff's available for them to buy. As always, there's Christmas applique shirts, Christmas stockings. I'll list Wholesale Boutique has amazing stockings, and Christmas, they even have Christmas ornaments. They have a ton of great stuff for Christmas. They have blankets. I got some stockings from Hobby Lobby to do a tutorial on. I'm going to show you how to do stockings and using the upside down hooping method. Super easy, and it saves you a lot of headache. So that's coming soon. Even thinking outside of the box, like one year I made little aprons, official cookie tester, and I made the little chef hat for the kids. And we wore it in some pictures as a family. So again, a lot of people are going to be looking to make memories this holiday season. So try to think outside the box and figure out how you can make your customers feel special and create special gifts for the ones they love. And then just general gift giving. Wholesale Boutique, I know I talk about them a lot, but I just love them. They have amazing like purses, travel bags, just gifts in general. So check them out, as well as you can even go to like, I know one year I did a whole bunch of blankets that I just got from Kohl's. I used a coupon. I did a bunch of those fleecy blankets as gifts with a big name or a family name on them, or you could even do like grandparents' names with all the grandkids at the bottom. There are so many things you can embroider for Christmas and for the holiday season, for gifts. So don't limit yourself just to an applique shirt box. So my biggest takeaways are get started early, plan early, list stuff early. That way you won't be rushed and feel like you have to keep working right up into the day before Christmas, because you want to make sure your deadlines are set in stone, and give yourself a cutoff date where you're going to take time to relax and enjoy your family. I know personally last year I had enough. After Thanksgiving, I just shut it all down, got all my orders out, and by the beginning of December, I was done. So make sure you make time for yourself, make sure you're taking care of yourself. These are some of the busiest months and the most revenue generating months of the year. I know for me personally, so make sure you prepare for that and take care of yourself. So am I forgetting anything? List below anything I'm forgetting that you love to embroider during the fall and winter seasons. You could list some of your best selling items, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and until next time, bye for now.